In this video, I will show you how to buy Snapchat Plus with an Apple gift card. To do this, you first want to go and open up the App Store, and in the App Store click on your initials in the top right. Then from within here, go and click on Redeem Gift Card or Code, and then here just use your camera or enter the code manually, and then click Redeem in the top right, and it will then be added to your balance, which can take a few minutes. You can check it here right under the Game Center. You can see it says Credit. So once it's added, it will say it right there in credit. Now, after you have redeemed the gift card, go and open up Snapchat and click on your Bitmoji in the top left. And then from there, go and click on Try Snapchat Plus. And then click Try it for however much. And then you will see this. Now here, when you go to make the payment, it will use the balance that you have in your Apple account that you have just added from your Apple gift card. So that's how you can buy Snapchat Plus using an Apple gift card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.